Hello, good day. I'm Oliver from Token Hobby. Here, that's the Cross RC off-road truck. So 6x6 NT6, so 1 to 10 scale. Mostly this one, the shell, the mudguard, all the decorations, bucket, it's all plastic. So lift up, see the chassis. So the connecting bar, the tie rod, the CVT drive shaft, and the axle inside shaft, they are all metal. All axles, you see front rear, all axles, they are portable axles. So the chassis, from the chassis to the ground, it is more big distance because of all this one, it is portable with big distance, also for the rear one. So as you see, the axles, they are all covered with plastic shell. Inside the shaft, they are steel one. Also the drive shaft, outside plastic, inside steel. So here, that's the steering servo, right, left. So inside you see the metal one, that's the brush drive motor and the gearbox. So this gearbox, outside shell, it is plastic, inside it's metal gears. And so that's the servo for shifting gear. I will turn it now. Now it is at low speed, high, low. And all this CVT drive shaft. So here, let's see the suspension. Front, you see the big spring and this hinge for adjusting the hardness, adjusting the power. So that's all suspension with cylinder, with spring, with hinge. So here, rear side, put it down and compress. So it's a 6x6, all 3 axles all have differential lock. And the front axle is separate from rear 2 axle for the lock. So here inside the box, that's a servo for locking front axle now. Let's see, it is at the differential. Lock the front, servo turning. It is locked, so front turning together. Now lock the rear side. You see the rear side is still. Lock the rear side. So now all 6 wheels turning together. Unlock it. Front and the rear all unlock. Forward, backward to disengage. Now at a low speed gear. Backward. High speed gear. Shifting back to low. Differential lock. Drive it, let's go. So you see this one with light, but it's not with the control system. So when power on, the headlight from the bumper directly power on. It's driving at low speed. Backward. This tent can be removed. It's a secured front 1 bar, rear 1 bar, and push into the bucket. So remove this metal bar for secure the tent. And here, unlock. That's the battery chamber. Unlock. That's the 2S battery inside. And cabin from the front side downside. This lock pin take out. And this one take out. We can lift up the cabin. First, lift up from forward and move to rear side. We take out the cabin. So for this NT6, we will see that's the drive motor. Check out 2-wire brushed one, steering servo, receiver, top of the suspension, the spring, the hinges. So here that's drive motor, gearbox. Plastic bucket, all these decorations are plastic. And turn around with this angle, you can see clearly the main girder with a U shape, one part. So it's a aluminum one. So enough strength to keep all this jumping in the different terrain. So press down, see the suspension directly on the rocks. drive to C. Go down, not stuck, continue. Okay, go back. Well, no, continue. It's a little touching on the CVT drive shaft of the front, so better move a little angle. Again, continue going. Well, let's drive to the platform. Going. Let's drive backward, maybe off the platform to see slowly. Okay, now to jumping off the cliffs. Thank you for watching this cross C6x6 NT6. So this one, even most parts is plastic, but it's on good price, and you can bring this one to the like a jungle and mountain rock area. You can fly it, climb it as you play it. You are not worried to damage it. So because it's flexible plastic and strong chassis. Thank you for watching. See you.